हेलो फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हैं आप लोग। आई डॉक्टर अनुज कुमार। टुडे आई विल डिस्कस द सिंथेसिस ऑफ मेटल कार्बाइन एंड मेटल कार्बाइन complexes. In last video we have already discussed the bonding and types of metal carbene and metal carbine complexes, and today we are going to discuss the synthesis of metal carbene and metal carbine complexes. Okay, let's start. You can see here, this is metal carbene complexes, and as you know, metal carbene complexes are those complexes which contain a double bond between metal and carbon, okay, known as metal carbine complexes. And today we are going to discuss the synthesis. Okay, so we can synthesize metal carbene complexes from the nucleophilic attack on this moiety. This is metal carbene complexes. If you react metal carbonyl complexes with any nucleophilic system, with any nucleophilic reagent, then you will get the metal carbene complexes. Okay, we know very well that this is metal carbonyl complexes, and this carbon is highly electrophilic nature. Why it is highly electrophilic nature? Because of high electronegativity of oxygen, and also here is partially pi bond and partially pi bond character. So this carbon is electrophilic nature. Okay, and if you take our lithium, this is a lithium reagent, and here lithium is highly electropositive and this R is highly electronegative. Okay, just like that. And butyl lithium. Okay, and this R negative will act as a nucleophile, and here is electrophile. This nucleophile will attack on this carbon which is electrophilic character. Then this pi bond will be shifted on oxygen, and it will form this. R is attached on that carbon and oxygen have one negative charge. Okay, now this is trimethyl oxonium ion, which produce highly electrophilic character of methyl. So it will be CH3 positive, which is a strong electrophilic character, a strong electrophile, and this oxygen negative will act as a nucleophile, and this nucleophile attack on this, and this will form. This is methoxycarbene. Okay, this is methoxy metal carbene complex. Okay, so the final reaction is from carbonyl to metal carbene. Just use any nucleophilic character reagent, and then highly electrophilic character any species, just like that. Trimethyl oxonium ion you can use, and then you can synthesize the metal carbene complexes. And this metal carbene complex is special because of methoxy group. So this carbon is known as methoxy metal carbene. Okay, now we are going to another reaction. In this reaction you will see the nucleophilic substitution on a active carbon, any highly electrophilic character carbon which contain highly heteroatom. Because of high electronegativity of heteroatom will generate a partial positive character on carbon atom, and then that carbon atom will act as a electrophile. Okay, and on electrophile any nucleophile can easily attack and form the product. Okay, similarly here you can see this ring, this is phenyl group, and this chlorine and chlorine. This carbon is highly electrophilic character. Okay, highly electrophilic nature. Okay, and this is another reagent NaCrCO4, which is highly electronegative. That means highly electronegative electron density is here because of highly positive character of sodium. So one negative charge will appear on chromium, and this negative charge can act as a nucleophile, and this nucleophile will attack on this carbon by releasing chlorine. Then the obtained carbene will be this. Okay, this is special nucleophilic. This is highly nucleophilic character of chromium carbonyl complex, and this complex can be formed via the reaction by chromium carbonyl whole 6 with sodium amalgam reaction. Okay, then you can synthesize this complex, and this complex will act as a nucleophile for this particular compound, and it will form a metal carbene complex. Okay, another process is that third type synthesis strategy is that we can use carbene precursors. Okay, carbene precursors, that means you will have to take some pericyclic complexes which can easily generate the carbene in presence of light or radical action or any heat action. Okay, which can produce carbene system. Then this carbene system will attack on a metal complex that have labile ligands. Okay, labile, that means labile is very active complexes and which can easily participate in a reaction. Okay, so this THF is highly labile ligand and which can increase the reactivity of this complex. Okay, and this is carbene precursor because when nitrogen will remove from here, then it will generate a carbene just like that. You can see the mechanism of this. This is C. You can see here. This is C having two substitutes, two bonds here with another things and nitrogen and double bond this nitrogen. And this nitrogen will carry negative charge and this carry one positive charge. And this negative charge shifted between two nitrogens and then this bond will be here and then you can see here this carbon negative charge here and this nitrogen positive charge and this is triple bond. Okay, and when this is good leaving group because highly electronegative atom and with positive charge, so it is good leaving group and can easily remove from the carbon. When it will remove, then it will generate the carbene system. Okay, so we can use direct carbene precursors and then this carbene precursors will give a carbene. So this carbene will give this complex will give carbene and this carbene will react with this complex which have a labile ligand like THF, then it will form this type complex. Okay, so after removal nitrogen here, then it will generate a carbene like this. Okay, and this carbene we know very well the chemistry between metal and carbene. Okay, so this carbene will interact with Mn by replacing the THF from the fourth coordination site of Mn and then it will obtain it will give a metal carbene complex. Okay, another process, another strategy is that when we use direct azomethane type complexes, azomethane, that is CS2N2, this is azomethane. Okay, azomethane, and it is easily give carbene system. I know we have already discussed like this. This is azomethane unit and it will release carbene. Okay, CS2 carbene, and this CS2 carbene can interact with this type complex, osmium type complex, and then it will give this carbene, metal carbene system. Okay, so these are mainly four type synthesis reactions, four synthesis strategies where you can make a nucleophilic attack on the electrophilic character of carbonyl complexes. So you can use carbonyl complexes with any nucleophilic character reagent. Okay, and then you can easily prepare metal carbene complexes. Okay, another reaction is that where you can make a nucleophilic attack on the active carbon. Okay, which has two or more than two highly electronegative elements substituted. Okay, then you can replace the highly electronegative element, that means good leaving group, and can make a metal nucleophilic substitution. Then you can synthesize the metal carbene. Okay, another third process, in third reaction you use carbene precursors directly, pericyclic type carbene precursors. Okay, I am writing here just as parent. Okay, so you can use like this carbene precursors and then you can make a reaction with those complexes which have labile type ligand and then you can form metal carbene system. Okay, similarly in last you can use directly azomethane type unit and then you can make a reaction. Mostly this azomethane react with osmium family elements, mostly osmium. Okay, then you can make a osmium metal carbene complex. Okay, so this is all about the synthesis of metal carbene complexes. Okay, now we are moving toward the synthesis of metal carbene complexes. This is metal carbynes. These are those complexes which have triple bond between metal and carbon. A triple bond between metal and carbon known as metal carbine. Okay, now we are going to discuss metal carbene synthesis. Okay, metal carbene complexes, metal carbine. We can synthesize metal carbine complexes by using following strategies. Okay, first strategy is when methoxycarbene, this is methoxycarbene. Why it is methoxycarbene? Because of OCS3. When methoxycarbene react with a Lewis acid, this is Lewis acid. Okay, this is Lewis acid. Why it is? Because of presence of electron deficient orbitals. Okay, electron deficient orbitals. So it is Lewis acid, and you can see here this oxygen has two lone pairs, and one lone pairs will interact with this empty orbital, and then it will possess one positive charge, and this bond will break from here, and here is one bond. This structure is wrong, I think. Yes, this structure is wrong. These are the strategies to synthesize metal carbine complexes. Okay, now we are going to stepwise on the synthesis of metal carbine complexes. Okay, first strategy to synthesize metal carbine complexes is that when methoxycarbene, because of methoxy group, so when methoxycarbene react with Lewis acid, this is Lewis acid. Why it is Lewis acid? Because of presence of empty or electron deficient orbital. Okay, this is electron deficient orbital, and oxygen has two lone pairs, and when this lone pair electron density transfer into empty orbital, then it will generate a positive character on oxygen atom. Then this bond will break and form a oxonium type molecule, and here you can see one bond is deficient, one bond is vacant, and that time when this bond will break here, at that time metal d electron density will be transferred into the vacant orbital of carbon, and then form a triple bond between carbon and chromium like this. Because of electron density, some electron density transfer to carbon from the metal, so it will generate a positive character on this, and this positive charge will balance from the halogen atom which release from here. Okay, so this halogen may be here chlorine, bromine, and iodine. Okay, and when this react with this, then it will form BX2OCH3. Okay, and one halogen atom will balance the positive character of this complex. Okay, so you can see here this is metal carbine type complex. Okay, but it is not highly stable, and at that time this complex will release one CO ligand from the structure, and vacant position where from where CO will remove, at that position this halogen will coordinate at that vacant site of chromium and will form this type complex. Okay, so here CO are 5 ligand. Okay, CO are 5, and here 1 2 3 4, only 4 CO are present, because when one CO will remove, this halogen negative will occupy the position, the vacant position at the chromium. Okay, and this it has been noted that this halogen is trans to this moiety, and the bond angle between halogen and this moiety should be 180. Okay, so this halogen is the trans. This hydrogen is trans to this moiety. Okay, carbene moiety. Okay, carbene moiety. Okay, another process is that when a Ta carbenes react with the different types reagent, then it can form different types Ta carbenes. Okay, so you can see here this is a Ta molecule, Ta carbene complex here, and you can see here this hydrogen is active hydrogen, and when it reacts with the halide type molecule, then it will form a Ta carbene like this. Okay, similarly, another example of this, when this Ta carbene complex reacts with the DMPE, DMPE is 1,2 dimethyl phosphonium ethene. Okay, react with bis dimethyl phosphonium ethene in presence of NaHG reagent, then it will form a Ta carbene. The mechanism is similar, both similar, active hydrogen removal and the formation of carbene, metal carbene. Okay. Third strategy is that when this molecule, this is osmium molecule, and this carbon is active carbon because of presence of two leaving groups, two chlorine atom, and when it reacts with any aryl lithium reagent, okay, just like that benzene one positive, one negative, and lithium one positive. Okay, and that time when this molecule will react with two molecule of ARLI, then it will form a metal carbene complex where the substituent of carbon will be AR ring here. Okay, so these are the simple synthesis of metal carbene complexes, and this is the synthesis of metal carbene complexes. Okay, so you can remember these reactions, and directly some questions directly can ask by the examiners from these synthesis methods of metal carbene and carbines in different examinations. Okay, tomorrow we will discuss the some typical properties of metal carbene and metal carbine complexes. Okay, thank you very much for watching.